Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6029. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to the 06 2020. It's a P580 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder diesel engine. The front headlight needs polish. The front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Right rear 17-inch. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate 5 dents. Right rear taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front headlight. Right front guard 1 dent. Right front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 5 dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory sat nav stereo. Display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,